All right, this is a second grade class. We are playing Capture the Critters. Each student has their own bucket, and their buckets are down here at this end of the gym. You see they've got some animals they're starting to collect in each bucket, and they each have their own hula hoop. They're going to take the hula hoop up to the line where these cones are, and they're going to roll their hoop out into the gym and see if it captures any animals, just like that. So any animals in or on the hoop, make sure it's inside the hoop, they get to take it and bring it back to home base and drop it into their bucket. Sometimes they'll catch one, sometimes it's close and they won't get any, and that's okay, they just go roll again. Ooh, that was close, that's gonna count because they've got the blue bear halfway in, so she gets to keep that one. Let's see, yep, looks like the butterfly, or maybe that's a dragonfly. Got that one. There's a bunch. Got a unicorn, 2 unicorns, nice. So we just did a warm-up with a hula hoop for about 8 minutes. Different jumping in and out, and a bunch of different activities, and now they're using their hoop to capture the animals. Roll it, grab the animals that you capture, and bring them back to home base.